Start. Sir, I stand to support this bill. Stop. The financial memorandum of this bill says the bill proposes to declare the National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, as an institution of national importance by amending the National Institute of Technology, Science Education and Research Act 2007. Stop. The substantial assistance of the central government would be provided to the National Institute of Technology, Andhra Pradesh, under plan heads by the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resources Development. Stop. Era. Sir, the National Institute of Technology is a very important institution of the country. Stop. Under this institution are declared as institutions of national importance, and to declare NITS as institutes of national importance, a legislation was required. Stop. Therefore, in 2007, Parliament passed this legislation. Stop. That is a highly respected legislation because it governs prestigious institutions in the country. Stop. Sir, earlier these separate institutions were governed under Societies Registration Act 1860, and these two deal with their activities under that legislation. Stop. What was the control of the government then? I am not very sure, but obviously, since they were individual institutions running under the Societies Registration Act, the control of the government was minimum. Stop. After passage of this bill, it is the HRD ministry which has got the control over this legislation, and the Ministry of HRD is governing these institutes. Stop. Your predecessor is sitting here. Stop. She should have acted like a mother to these institutions, but I don't know what happened. Stop. Whenever controversies arose, you were there. Stop. I don't say you created the controversies, but you could have given some soothing hand to all these controversies. Stop. That did not happen. Stop. I do not know about the individual case of each institute where the problem arose. Stop. There was tremendous problem in Jammu and Kashmir, and that became a national issue. Stop. It did not remain confined to the institutions of Jammu and Kashmir alone. Stop. It became a burning issue for almost 15 days. Stop. And how ultimately that issue was resolved, I am also not aware of. Stop. But now nobody hears of that controversy, and therefore, I feel that it should have been resolved amicably. Stop. Now you are heading those institutions. Stop. By heading, I mean the institutions heads are there, but it is the HRD ministry which has to look after these institutions in a manner that they will feel that your ministry is there to look after them for any problem that arises. Stop. Therefore, you have to take it in that sense. Stop. These are bound to be interferences. There is no doubt about it. Stop. But the ministry has to set some norms. Stop. Everything cannot be regulated by rules and regulations. Stop. But conventions and norms of interference in individual institutions have to be laid down. Stop. Those conventions and norms are taken in the right spirit by all the stakeholders. I think there would not be any problem. Stop. Era. You have just inaugurated an IIT in Goa. Stop. I would like to add a personal note if you don't mind. Stop. The question is, in that function when I was fighting for this institution right from the beginning, just a simple invitation was sent at my address, whereas your MP name was mentioned in the card. I was shocked. So, a simple invitation was sent to me when I was trying to have this institution contacting people how much reservation we should get, etc. Stop. Ultimately, there was a dispute regarding the name. Stop. The institution was supposed to come up in my village. Stop. But somehow there was a controversy. Stop. Today environmentalists are very active, so it could not happen. Stop. I again request you to resolve any misunderstandings which are there in the minds of those people objecting to this thing. Stop. By sitting with the chief minister and other stakeholders, perhaps the issue could be sorted out. Stop. Now the question arises, out of these institutions which are centrally controlled, I am talking of Goa University in relation to this. Stop. There is only one state university, that is Goa University. Stop. There was a game plan to convert Goa University into a central university, and I strongly opposed it. Stop. Your predecessor, the then HRD minister, had enacted a bill wherein Goa University was included to be made a central university. Stop. I made all my efforts and I got that particular clause deleted, because if the lone state university was made into a central university, Goan people of the weaker sections could not have got admission, because the central university legislation do not permit admissions on the basis of residence. Stop. That is why I opposed it. Stop. If Goa wants to have a central university, another university can be opposed. Stop. There is no problem. Stop. If there is only one university and that also you want to make a central university, it will be a tragedy for Goa. Stop. Therefore, I opposed that bill and succeeded. Stop. I am happy that I have succeeded in that effort. Stop. Now the question is, how many seats Goa should get. Stop. Earlier it was less than 50. Stop. Mr. Manohar Parrikar made an effort and got it to 50, because some seats out of 50 were going to other union territories, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Stop. Two other universities were to share 50% of the seats. Stop. Now we have got exclusively 50% seats. Stop. In fact, I would like to say that we should get 75% reservation in seats. Stop. If we do not get, you will not feel that this central body is ours. Stop. The reservation has to be substantial. Substantial means beyond 50%. Stop. There is no sense in giving less percentage of reservation in IIT. Stop. Then another question is that Goa has got limited topography. Stop. Many people are asking for land. Stop. Many institutions from Maharashtra and Karnataka are coming and asking for land to establish educational institutes there. Stop. Now, as far as land is concerned, why should the land of NITs or similar central institution be given on lease? Stop.